Hi, I'm just Valerie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be exercising again. I'm going to be doing a low impact step exercise. Watching a video on YouTube. It's for 10 minutes. I'm going to actually film the whole 2 minutes. It's 10 minutes. And my t-shirt, big bags, big pictures. So anyway, let's get on with the video.
Okay, get ready to start this workout. We do 10 exercises. There's no water break in this workout. We start with the basic steps. So get ready, behind the step, and start. Step on and off. Right feet at first, and off. On and off. Take your arms with you. Upper body is straight. On and off. We do one more with the right feet and then switch. Left. Left on, left off. Power in your arms. On and off. Just a few more.
In my knees.
And the last one. And that's it. Just regular steps behind step. The next one is the basic step with the side leg lift. So we step on, lift our leg to the side, and then regularly step off. Just follow me, get ready, and start. So we step off, lift our leg, off, off, and switch. On, off,
wow.
and lift. And lift. Cross your arms in front of you, lift your leg to the side. So off, on, and lift. Off, on, and lift. Upper body is straight. Take your arms with you. Lift your leg to the outside. Off, on, and lift.
This is low impact one.
Just a few more. Don't forget your arms. And we do one more. And steps behind. The next one is the basic steps. Just the regular ones up. And when we're up, we pull our knee up, high knee. Just follow me. Get ready and start. So we step off, make a high knee, off and switch. On, knee, and off. Keep your upper body straight. Take your arms with you and lift your knee up as high as you can. Up. Up. Power in your arms. Switch from side to side. On, off, and lift your knee. Just a few more. Don't lean over. Keep your upper body straight. Off and lift your knee. Last one. And basics. Behind your step. The next one is the basics. So we step up and we make a kick back. So we lift our leg to the back. We switch from side to side. So get ready and start. So on, lift your leg. Cross your arms in front of you. Power in your arms. Step up and lift your leg to the back. Up and lift. Up and lift, switch. Squeeze your glutes when you lift your leg up. Try to keep your upper body straight. Power in your arms. Just a few more. Keep going. On and lift. On and lift. And we go for the last one. And that's it. Keep moving. The next one is the feet steps up. So we step up wide and step off small. Just follow me in a few seconds. Get ready and start. So on, off and switch. So right feet on and left. On, off, off. Place your feet in the corner of the step. And when you step off, make your feet small. Together. wide and small, on and off. Take your arms with you. Keep your upper body straight. Right feet on and left. Almost there. And we go for the last one. On, up, and that's it. The next one is the butt kick on and off. So you step on, make a butt kick, switch to the other side, and go off.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So get ready and start. So on, kick your butt, and off.
I can do that.
Kick your butt on and off. Take your arms with you. On, off, off. And switch from side. So right feet first. And good going. Right on. And off. On. And off. Almost there. And we go for the last one. And that's it. Okay, come to the side of the step. The next one is the over the top. So we step over, we tap on the side, and then go back to the other side. Just follow me. Get ready and start. So on, over and tap. Keep your upper body straight and power in your arms. On and over tap. On and over tap. On and over. Power in your arms. Cross them in front of you and pull back. On, over and tap. Just a few more. Keep going. One more time back. And tap and single steps behind.
Oh boy.
The next one is the corner tap back. So you step into the corner, tap back, behind, 3 times, and then go to the other corner. Just follow me. Get ready and start. So on, tap, 2, 3 and switch to the other corner. 1, 2, 3 and switch. Tap behind. Take your arms with you. Tap, 2, 3 and switch. Tap, 2, 3 and switch. Take your arms with you. Keep your upper body straight. Cross behind and tap off. And switch. 1, 2, 3 and switch. Almost there. And switch. And go for the last one. Tap behind. And basics. Behind the step. The next one is to repeat it in the corner with the knee up. So we stay here, up and tap back. 3 on each side. So get ready and start. So 1, 2, 3 and switch. 1, 2, 3 and switch. Keep your upper body straight. Lift your knee up. 1, 2, 3 and switch. Take your arms with you and switch. 1, 2, 3. Lift your knee up as high as you can and tap back. And switch. Power in your arms, you're almost there.
Whoa.
And switch. 1, 2, 3 and switch. Last one. And that's it.
That's a lot of
Okay,
knees.
final exercise is the corner to corner with the butt kicker. So we go to corner, kick our butt, switch to the other corner. So keep moving. Get ready and start. So corner, kick your butt and switch, kick, switch, kick, on, kick, off, on, kick, off. And again, take your arms with you. Keep your upper body straight. On, step up, switch. Kick your butt. Final exercise. Keep your upper body straight. And don't forget to get your arms with you. Up, power. Kick. Kick. Almost there. And we do one more. Kick. And that's it. Well done, you finished this workout.
Whew. Whew. Goodness. Alright, got through that one. 10-minute step exercise. First time gotta learn the steps. That was a doozy, with especially on the knee lifts. So, the more you do it, easier it becomes. Whew. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm gonna be doing my weigh-in this Friday and add a little nutrition tips or eating plans then as well. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bye.